Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to buy Tinder Plus on your phone. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder and after that go and click on profile on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, as you can see, you will find the subscriptions available on Tinder and you can click on also subscriptions. And here you will find the different type of subscriptions. Just one thing that you must know is that the price of subscriptions depend on the country where you are located. So for example, in the United States, the price of subscriptions are higher compared to other countries, for example, like Turkey or like other countries who have less income than the United States, and all the tech companies are doing this now to get more subscribers because they know that not everyone have the same amount of money, or not everyone have like the same salaries. So it's something that you must know. So for example, now my phone is put it on the United States. So if I click get Tinder Plus, as you can see, so the price is so expensive. So for example, for 1 week it's $12. For Tinder Plus it's so much, and for Tinder Platinum it's insanely expensive. It's $24 per week and it's $50 per month. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.